You've probably seen these AI-generated images and memes all over the internet, where if you squint your eyes, you're able to see a hidden image and text. In this video, I'll show you how to make them and go viral on the internet. First, go to Google, type illusion diffusion, and click the first link where it shows Hugging Face AP123. When it opens, its interface looks something like this. Now let's drag the image or photo that you want to make a squint. Select the right image and set the illusion strength somewhere around 1.74. Now to be able to generate the illusion, you have to write a prompt. You don't need rocket science to generate the image. You can type whatever you want to generate or whatever comes to your mind or copy my prompt. For the sake of this video, I'm going to type a simple prompt like hills, trees, forests, and jungles. Now click enter. It takes a few minutes to generate your image. If you get an error pop up, don't exit or refresh your browser or phone due to heavy traffic. A lot of people like you and me are generating the image at the same time. For that reason, it shows some error pop-ups sometimes. You can download your image if you are happy with the result, or you can type another prompt on the same image if you want to generate a different image. You can also play around with illusion strength. It adds variation to the image with the same prompt and the same images. I personally like to keep the illusion strength between 1 to 2, but sometimes you can play around in different ranges and play around with the different prompt settings to generate different types of illusions to your liking. You can try the same prompt with different images. For the sake of this video, let me fast forward and generate different images for the video. Now we're going to take one step further and give our personal touch so we don't get lost in the crowd. We have to do something different to stand out from the rest of the crowd. For that, we're going to use our go-to website canva.com. Now we are going to make a video from the pictures that we have generated by AI just now. We are going to use a blank template for our video. Drag all images to the Canva that we generated recently from Hugging Face. Select a rectangle shape and drag it all. You can also choose a different background color or different background images and videos. I prefer simplicity, but you can also play around with the border of the background to give it your own personal touch. Now drag the image in the middle and fit it perfectly to the center of the screen. You can play around with the image borderline too. It makes your video unique and helps you stand out from the rest. Small details are very important to make the viewer stay engaged in your video. Now we are going to create an animated image intro. Duplicate the same image by clicking on duplicate. Resize the image as shown in the video. Duplicate the same image once more and fit the screen dimension. After you find the right spot, preview your image and see how it looks. If you are happy with it, just leave it like that. I'm going to adjust for me. It looks a little bit over the face. Recheck the video before finalizing it and adjust it to your liking. Now we are going to add text to our video. Select text and add a text box. A text line will appear and you can type. And resize your text to visualize more clearly. Add effects. You can find a lot of text effects. Select the one that you like most and fit your image. You can also play around with different fonts to make it more unique. I'm using default Canva Sans font, it works for me. You can also add effect to your text to make it eye-catching to the viewer. And always don't forget to check your video when you are adding something and make sure it fits perfectly. And once again, check the animation of the text and adjust it. After all is done, we want to load a bar animation, a timer clock, or something else to make our video more engaging. Search loading bar on the search bar. This is a free version of Canva, so to use the graphic, you have to be a paid user. I know those who are watching my video. Maybe you don't have money to spend on it, or you don't have a budget to start with. Don't be demotivated. I myself use the free version of Canva. You can find a lot of ways on the internet to use it. So back to the video. Now we are going to use this video. We need to crop the video and make sure it shows only the moving bar. Now adjust the size and fit to your video. Now we are going to animate our bar too and check the video. After you are happy with the result, now we have to match the timing of the video playback to our image. Click on playback, increase video speed all the way, click 3 dots, click show timing. Adjust the video with the image, and make sure the image and video timing match with each other perfectly. Recheck your video. Duplicate the first image as shown in the video, shift the image to the right, and adjust it. Now you have to just drag the right images, and follow the same step until you are done with all the images. Now preview your work and check what you can do better or what you can add or remove. Before finalizing the video, Check once again that everything is good. Now you are ready to download. For sound effects, we are going to use CapCut video editing. If you don't know where to find sound effects, click on the I button that pops up on your screen. In that video, I have shown the step-by-step process where you can find amazing sound effects, music, background images, and videos for free. After all the adjustments are done, click on Export and export the video. Before ending the video, those who are watching till the end, thank you for staying till now with my video. As always, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Make sure to follow me on all social media. I'm giving away $2,500 to one of you when my channel hits 100K subscribers. So please help me to reach the goal. If you have any questions related to the topic or video, don't forget to leave a comment below. I will reply to the top 10 comments of this video. If you have any suggestions about the video, don't hesitate to comment.